Hey guys, so today I'm going to tell you all the good things about this product right here. This is the CondoMounts wall laptop mount. Alright, as you can see here, this mount is fixed right to the wall and you can place your laptop on top of this. What's good about this mount, because it's obviously the motion that it has. Alright, you can actually turn your laptop this way or this way and it's gonna be really flexible. Alright, and besides that, you can actually turn this up and down, and also this has a 360-degree motion to it also. Okay, when you're using a laptop here, it's not so good, but this mount right here, you can actually place a monitor behind here. After you remove this, and this thing will come off, and you can actually place a monitor on top of this, and now you have a very flexible monitor to be used at your workspace. So that are the cool things about this mount. And I forgot to tell you one more thing. Another cool thing about this mount is the gas spring technology. Alright, you can just use one finger to pull this up and pull this down. Just imagine you have your monitor up here and you're going to use your monitor. It's going to be so flexible, you know. Your monitor will be here and you can pull this down. You can have your keyboard here, alright, and your mouse here, and your monitor will be here. That is the laptop wall mount from CondoMounts. Do check out this product on our website.